For this dart manipulation, this is the pattern that we'll be using to manipulate our dart. Okay, and before we start, please ignore all these lines. When I was copying this to this side, I made a mistake. The line was bent, and you need a straight line so that you can get what you are supposed to get. So ignore all this cancel line. These are the lines that we need. Okay, so I've drawn the pattern. I've taken my bust dart, both sides, and the waist dart. And note, I've already eliminated this dart on this side while I was drafting. So I remember that I want to use this to explain that manipulation. So I did not take it on this side. Okay, so I've already eliminated the dart on this side. So if I'm explaining, I'll be eliminating dart on this side only, not this side. Okay, so that you not get confused. What else? I think that's all. Neckline. Let's do this. This should be 4 inches. Okay, and from here you're going to let's see on I hope you understand what I'm trying to do. Okay, so from here you come like this. Okay, and from here you come like this. Let me see this again. I don't want to use this neck now. Let me just copy it. So from here to here, so from this form, you call it white, like this. And if your cup set is not working, you can use your hand. Okay, so I want something like this for the neckline. So this is going to be the neckline. Okay, so something like this, and this one too, like this. So we are done with the neckline. For the dart, like I said, I've already eliminated this dart. Okay, so let me eliminate this other one too. So your dart is starting from here. Just note it, and it's ending here. Let it on the hip. It's starting from here. The 1 inch on the bust, then it's ending here. So you just take your 1 inch dart from here, then connect it back to the hip. Okay, that's how to eliminate that. And then you connect this to this place. So we've eliminated the dart, so we don't have any dart on the waist again. Okay, so for the style we are going to do now, this is where the work is. We will have to eliminate this dart too. So whatever style we are cutting, we'll make sure that it's passing through this place. This place is called the D point. So whatever style you want to do, make sure it's passing through here. Okay, so now, and I'm not sure I remember, I can draw it in my head, armpit here. So like I said, when you want to draw it, you make sure that, okay, you make sure that whatever style that you are making is passing through this place so that we can eliminate this dart. Okay, so see, I will put the style up so you know what I'm trying to, we don't have that here anymore, so you can do whatever you want here. So bring it down. I think I want it to so it will end after the hip, so that I will have the same thing on the other side. But let me see if I can come up with another style. So now the thing now is, for this side, for this other side, the neckline is coming here, so I don't think we can, let's see, okay, so make sure this two is passing through here, and then I think I want to change the style. Let's see what else I can do with it. So let's do it like this. You see? So here it's coming like this. Ignore all these things, don't get confused. And this one is coming like this. From here, it's coming down. Then it's coming like this. Okay, I'm not doing that one anymore. Okay, so now let's do another style line. So here, I think I want to have another one that will come like this. It should work now. Let's see. From here to here is 20 cm. From here to here is 20 cm. Okay, so it should come like this. So I know this is all manner of things, but this is one. This one that is coming like this, 2. This one 2, 3, and this one 4. Okay, so this do this. There's a reason for this one. Do this before you forget. Okay, so to eliminate this dart, like I said, that's to pass through this one. So now remember, we don't have allowance on this one, so if you are doing your own, make sure you have allowance. So let's cut this one so that you not forget. You don't have allowance on this. So this is where the work is. So cut this first style line. So once you get to this place, eliminate this bust that. Cut through these 3 points. Don't cut through it. Cut to this. Oh, as if I cut through it. So then nothing spoil. So you now close your dart. Close the dart. As I was not going to cut through. Make sure it's balanced. Close your dart. So use your tape or your gum. Combine. The gum is not done. The tape, you don't want to tape on. So since it's permanent closing, don't have to worry. Just close it like this. Like this. So as to avoid this kind of stress, please don't cut through. Just cut to where you need to cut to. Okay, so you can finish up with this. I'll finish this one. Like this. Remember, there is no sewing allowance. Oh, okay. So this is panel 1. We'll come back to it. Panel 2 is like this. So on this panel 2, that's where we have our neckline. So you can cut out your neckline now. You can cut out your neckline. Okay. This will make sense to one. So remember, we use 4/4 on both sides of this neckline because of the back. So keep this so that. So this is our second panel that has the neckline. Okay. So we are moving on. The third one is this. So we come here and then you can start from something simple. Okay, not necessarily that you do something that is complex. You can start from something simple. This is theory. So this 4. Okay, this is 4. Cut it out like this. Remember, with the dimension of the dart, we are cutting like this. this is 4. So on this 4, remember we only have one dart. So you cut to the bust point. Hope I will not cut this one. So you now close this dart. You close this dart like this. It's a tape or your gum. Close it with your tape or your gum like this. Okay. So now these two that we eliminated that from them, you want to balance it. Okay, so you bring your paper like this. What's going on? Okay. You bring your paper and then you will put another paper underneath like this. So use this one to balance this thing. Use it to balance. So you come to this side and then you blend it back to this line. However it's going to be, you blend it back. You can use your free hand. Use free hand so that it will not look like something like this. So you blend it back like this. Okay, so this is it. And then you will cut it out. So cut this out like this. So this is what you are cutting on your fabric. Okay, you have balanced this dart. So now this one too, you balance it. Put your gum on a paper that you want to use to balance it, and then you place that place that you have this thing there. Okay, then you balance it to the here. So you balance it like this. That's all you need to do. Just go like this and then cut it out. I hope we are clear. So this is our full pattern like this. This is 4. This is 3. Okay. This is 3. This is 2. The place that is behind the neck and the other stuff. Like this. And this is 1. So this is what we have here. So let us go to image. So now we are going to transfer this from the fabric. Okay, so guys, I have cut out the back. That one, I don't think we have any explanation to do on it. It's just a plain black. But for the front, before you start sewing it, ideally after cutting like this, you are supposed to leave this place round because you are not adding We are not adding lining or any interface. So you're supposed to weave this piece. So after weaving, you see all these notches, all these lines that we made on this thing. You have to put it back on the fabric so that you know where you are joining with where. Do you understand? So now it's either you notch it with your scissors or you take your chalk and mark it so that you know that this place is coming to this place. When you are sewing, this place has to be together and this place has to be together with this place. So that's the essence of the notches that we made. Okay, so just place it. So you know this place is coming here. It's just a guide. It's just a guide. Okay, so you know where and where are coming together. You not mismatch your fabric. Do we understand? I think we should understand. Okay, so that's one of the stress of and keep your pattern close. Make sure your pattern is close to you when you are sewing, so that in case you need to use it to trace it. So after this, we can now remove our pattern paper. Remove your pattern paper. This is not the noise of mouth. After removing, make sure you keep your pattern. You still come and so this is 4. This is 4. 4. This is 1. And this is 3. And so this will be 2 like that. 2. And this is 3. So you pick them according to their number and sew them together. So this is 3. So you can pick this one first. Make sure these are matching. You pick this one first. You pick this first and then you sew. Probably after that, join these 2 and 1, join them together, then you join the remaining together. So when they join them together, we'll move up from there. is it after sewing it. You can see it. So this is, you can see this is the, like, the board, the, what do they call it now, the dart, this thing, the dart is coming back after you've joined it. Okay, so this is it. Now what I will do is to press. I'll press it, then after pressing it, I'll cut the facing, because there's no lining on this. I'm not putting lining, so I'll just cut the facing for it, and I will sew it. Then for the back, another thing I want to tell you is that, see, this fabric is stretchy. So if you sew it like this, at this place, you have, it will not be balanced, sharp. It will not be balanced if you sew ordinarily this one. So what you are going to do is to get your interface. It might be BFF, it might be BFF, it might be ST, any of the two. Don't use big interfacing for it. So you just measure your zipper allowance at this place. When you measure your zipper allowance, you will just cut a strip of this and then iron it on your zipper allowance. So after ironing it, you will now fix your zip. Do you understand? So you will just put it from here to here. If you see some ready-made clothes, you will see interfacing at the zipper area. It's just to give it some sort of structure, so it will not be stretching when you are sewing your zipper. Okay, so that is basically the reason. So what I will do now is to mark out my zipper allowance. After marking out my zipper allowance, I will cut a strip of this to fix. Then after cutting it, I will just iron it on top of it. Then we are done. Okay, so my zipper allowance is 1.5. So I'll just mark it straight so that you will know. No, not on this one. On this, like I said, I'm using BFF. I'll use BFF. So you mark 1.5 or 2. Doesn't matter if it comes out of this thing, of the zipper allowance, but it matters that it should be enough. So I will measure it like this. Make sure you are using this side. You know your BFF too. There is a side that is kind of stretchy. There is a side that is not stretching. So make sure you are using the side that is not stretching. You shall get what I'm trying to say. Don't use the part that is stretching. Use the part that is not stretching. Then you iron it on your zipper allowance. So after ironing it, you just fix your zip like that, and then you turn the neck and you are done. You see that it's not hard. Once you get the idea of the drafting, the sewing is just as simple as ABC. Just cut the join and then that's it. So I've cut for the two sides of the back. Okay, and the neck too. I am using interfacing for the neck. I hope this is long enough. I think I want to cut now. It's okay. It doesn't have to get to the end since it's just this thing we are doing. So now this is what I want to use for turning the neck. Okay, this is the neck tailor fabric. So just fold it and place it on. Okay, I'm cutting the front first. I should use really now. So I'll cut the front on yellow and I'll cut the back on navy blue. Okay, so bring it, cut the neck. I use a fabric too. Yeah. After this, I just come like this. For the neck facing, cut it out. Okay, and cut it out like this. And then cut a facing for it. Cut a facing for it. Perfect. I was thinking something enough. So you cut a facing for the neck. This is for the front and for the back. You can simply you can simply head it like this on your fabric. Okay, you can just cut it directly like this on your fabric. Okay, so you fix it, you cut it, and wear. So I will fix my I'll fix my interface and I will iron it. Then after that I will be back to show you the outcome of this. So now you cut interfacing for this one too. Okay, so you fix interfacing to the zipper allowance, you fix interfacing to the neck, and you fix interfacing to the back neckline. So after fixing and ironing, I'll come back. I'll come and show you what it looks like. Thank you very much.